you seen my hat? No, I have not seen any hats around here. Okay, thank you anyway. It's wrong. It's a really ridiculous book. It's a really cool.
Hey, listen. Ooh, are you okay? Be careful.
Have you seen my hat? No, why aren't you asking me? I haven't seen it. I haven't seen it. Any hats anywhere. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, thank you anyway.
Are you okay?
Have you seen my hat? I haven't seen anything all day. I have been trying to climb this rock. Would you like me to lift you on top of it? Please. It's too big. It's too big. Have you seen my hat? I saw a hat once. It was blue and round. My hat doesn't look like that. Thank you anyway.
It is a snake.
Have you seen my hat? What is a hat? Thank you anyway. Okay. Nobody has seen my hat. What if I never see it again? What if nobody ever finds it? My poor hat. I miss it so much. What's the matter? I have lost my hat and nobody has seen it. What does your hat look like? It is red and pointy, and I have seen my hat. I have seen my hat. You stole my hat.
Can you show us the picture?
Oh, yeah. She stole his hat. It's just a page.
No, but it's a big picture. Oh, they're up close, huh?
I love my hat.
Did he get it back?
Excuse me, have you seen a rabbit wearing a hat? No, why are you asking? I haven't seen him. I haven't seen any rabbits anywhere. I would eat a rabbit. Don't ask me any more questions. Okay, anyway. We always say that.
I wonder where that rabbit went.